These days, almost everyone has to work with the data in some form or another. And it is usually done in spreadsheet or databases. But if you can learn little SQL, you can become more powerful in your job. Hello everybody, this is Naval. Today I'm going to talk about top 3 reasons why you should learn SQL in 2022. Let me share my screen with you. One of the most common database structure is relational database. And going hand in hand with the relational database is SQL, pronounced SQL. So the 3 reasons are, number 1 is it is predominant. From a small size company to a mid-size company to giant company or MNCs, everyone is using SQL as a database. It does not matter what the front end you are using, but for the database, it is must that you would be using SQL. So it's predominant database. SQL is predominant. The second reason is easy to learn. If you structured query language is the most commonly known as the SQL. Basically, it is used to manage, access, or retrieve data from a database. If you know simple English, you can learn or you can write your queries to retrieve the data from the databases. Suppose you are going to create a simple student table in SQL, you just need to write create table name student. So here create is a SQL command or a SQL keyword to write to create something. Here we need to write a table, so we need to use create. The next keyword is table. Table keyword is used to create a table, and the next is student table name. So here we just wrote create table student. So that is a simple language. So it's so easy to learn. It's so easy to write a query. Once SQL query becomes easier for you, you can write your projects and connect that project with the SQL database. So it's so easy to learn. Next is that is very, very important, and that is high paying jobs. From startup to established companies, the job market looks very good for the SQL enthusiasts, because every company looks for a database developer. Why? Because SQL is used everywhere, and this is the third most language which is used everywhere. Even Python comes after SQL, which is the most common language for each and every company nowadays. So SQL is on the top 3. So according to Indeed.com, you will get a salary of 3 to 6 lakh per year if you are fresher as a SQL beginners. Once you become proficient in SQL, and after 5 years, you can get salary more than 12 lakh per year. So you can imagine, after getting job in SQL, you can do whatever you want. You will get a freedom lifestyle. You can earn a lot of money even after from your job. You will get a fixed salary from a job, and after it, you can get the passive income from SQL. Who am I? Why I am talking about SQL? What authority do I have to talk about it? because I have 7+ years of experience in SQL only. More than 13+ years experience I have in giant companies or IT companies. And that is why I'm telling you the SQL is the most common language. If you want to be a programming or developer, SQL is the best to start programming language. If you know how the computer works, you can learn any language like Java, Python, and etc. So I would, if you want to learn SQL, I will give you a link in the description box, and it is totally free. Not a single penny you need to spend or you need to invest it. So it's free of cost. Sign up and get the course free of cost. Thank you so much. Be till the end. Have a nice day.